Okay, Emily coming down towards us now. Lawler's routine yesterday, hand goes up. Let's see if she can replicate that now. She cars her weight, turns to hit it. Oh, beautiful plate-to-plate barrels. What a start. She's the only girl in the UK to ever have been able to do a barrel roll. She whipped that 2 rounds for 180. Another 180 spin, riding the C backwards now. One-handed 180 hood spin. Hop straight back into the tray. Nice big floaty nose stab. Spin that ski round into tail stand position. Hop straight up onto the hood of the ski. Right ski straight out. Spin ski round 180. No-handed hood spin into a powered no-handed Superman. And a 180 Superman hood spin with a ride out. Go girly! What did you have for breakfast? I don't know, but I couldn't do that this morning. Well, that couldn't do this morning. A big 360 bulldog throw. Oh, judges, you poor judges. And she throws in a combination there, a one-handed 180 nose stab into a Marriott combination. 15 seconds left, girl, to get something in quick. Spins that ski round, one-handed 180 hood spin. Wheels round onto the front of the foot. I've seen that before. And ends with a fountain. That was a very